Oh, here's an update. I've got a bit of a problem with the extruder. It broke. Well, or I broke it. Uh, it seems that the little piece I put in to make sure nothing slipped by somehow got, I don't know, the rim got dented, pushed in, and it let the bag slip by. So as the piston went in, the bag went around the piston, and everything was okay as long as it was going in. It was still pushing okay, although it seemed, I noticed it was a bit harder. Uh, but when I went to retract it, to put in more clay to finish the test tile I was making for Nick, it jammed. It jammed good. I tried the motor overdrove it in trying to get it out, and here we are. And the gear inside the extruder, focus, focus, uh, stripped out. The teeth of the drive gear really weren't grabbing much. Okay, that's normal. There you see the material that got removed anyway, so now it's got a bad spot. It hits there and it stops. It's broke. Uh, there's the drive screw. Again, very not real deep, but that was all it took. So apart it came with some difficulty. There were steel pins that were put in it to lock it in right there and one over there, and they were in really good, and I couldn't, and they were flush to the end. There was nothing to grab onto. I needed to drill out the gear a little bit in order to get a grab on it, but it's threaded on the inside, so it just needs to not turn. So anyway, I am going to attempt to recreate this gear. I can't get a new one. Nobody in China is answering my requests for spare parts. Uh, so I need to remove that outer ring of teeth with a hole saw and then replace it with another ring and then chop teeth into it. I expect I will be drilling little pilot holes on the part line of the new ring and putting in screws that keep it from as sort of keys to keep it from slipping and moving laterally back and forth here. So anyway, that's the plan. Stay tuned for the gear replacement project.